working next week?
Yes.
I mean, there's some soft mouth cushions.
Lovely. Yeah.
Are there feather ones in there?